Pepe price prediction as Pepe hits new all-time high again. Can it overtake Dogecoin? Simon Chandler last updated, May 27, 2024 9:45 EDT 3-minute read. Disclaimer, the text below is an advertorial article that is not part of crypto news, editorial content. The Pepe price has jumped by 5% in the past 24 hours, with the meme token pushing to 1,668 cents as the crypto market as a whole barely moves today. This price means that Pepe has broken its ETH yet again, having touched 1,717 cents a few hours ago. And given that it remains up by 80% in a week, 141% in a month, and 1,000% in a year, it certainly has the short, medium, and long-term momentum to continue pushing forwards. It may hit a new ETH in the next few days even, with the arrival of rate cuts later in the year possibly helping it rise higher in the market cap rankings. Pepe price prediction as Pepe hits new all-time high again. Can it overtake Dogecoin? Pepe chart is very bullish at the moment, with the coin maintaining strong momentum for nearly a week now. Its relative strength index purple has returned to 70 in the past few hours, having regained impetus after dropping below 50 yesterday. Pepe 30-day average orange is also continuing to put more distance between itself and the 200-day blue, a clear sign that the coin remains in a growth spurt. Of course, the rejoinder to this bullishness is that Pepe indicators have been high for long enough now to think that the coin may correct soon. Yet its 24-hour trading volume remains high at close to $2 billion, up from $500 million a week ago, and a sign that interest remains strong. And what's interesting is that whales continue to accumulate the meme coin, seemingly in the expectation of further gains in the near future. It's also worth remembering that we were advising caution regarding Pepe only a few days ago, yet it has continued to rise, so there's every chance that it may set new records in the coming days and weeks. And looking at the longer-term picture, things may only become even more bullish for the meme token. For one, the recently approved Ethereum ETFs will launch next month, increasing positivity and demand across the board. And secondly, it's likely that we will begin seeing rate cuts from various central banks across the world, including the ECB and Bank of England, if not the Fed. As such, the end of the year could lead to something like a bull rally, with the Pepe price potentially benefiting more than most other meme tokens and alts. It could reach 2 cents by July, and potentially 4 cents by September. Diversification with high potential per sale coins. Pepe continues to look very bullish, yet traders should always be on the lookout for newer tokens with which to diversify their portfolios and increase their exposure to potential upside. One way of doing this is to invest in one of promising per sale tokens currently attracting investors. Probably one of the most exciting of these Solana Seal, a Solana-based meme token that has raised more than $2.8 million in its hugely popular token offering. Seal follows hot on the heels of other successful Solana-based meme coins such as WIF and Bonk, and is looking to become the latest to enjoy above average gains when it lists in the next few weeks. That it has a great chance of doing this is suggested by its already successful raise, as well as by its official X account, which now boasts over 6,000 followers. This is impressive growth for a coin that unveiled itself only a month ago, with the token adopting an amusingly oafish anthropomorphic seal as its mascot. More fundamentally, Solana has recently launched an Ethereum-based version of its token, making it more accessible to a wider pool of potential investors and holders. This could lead to greater traction for Seal, as well as stronger gains over time. Investors can join its sale now by heading over to the official Solana website, where they can purchase at a rate 1 SOL for 6,100 Seal. They will receive their tokens via an airdrop that will take place after the sale ends, at which point they can sell their holdings and potentially lock in some decent gains. Buy Seal today. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.